Oi, brother! Are we starting this bloody YouTube?
Yeah, mate, we are. Yes!
All right, mate. Let's get into it then, eh?
Hello, and finally welcome to Brotherly 4x4. My name's Sebastian.
My name's bloody Riley. It's been a bit overdue, this YouTube, but we're here. 2026, what a year.
We can't wait.
It's going to be a big one. So, yeah.
So we're just going to quickly run you through our cars and what we're going to do this year on the YouTube channel.
All right, we're sitting in my bloody GQ, and we're just going to discuss what's going on this year.
So we've got a few plans going to the beach. The beach.
The beach. We got plans for Fraser or Gari, whatever you want to call it. Double Island. Probably those two, real. You'll see a lot of Double Island.
We actually might hit Bribie. We live that close to Bribie, and we have never hit Bribie.
Yeah, Bribie's probably on the list.
Yeah, Bribie's would definitely be on the list. And, of course, Glasshouse. But we are looking at going to New South Wales. So if you guys have got any recommendations for New South Wales trips, then let us know.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of stuff breaking, a lot of stuff getting fixed, and a lot of upgrades this year.
Now, if you don't follow us on the Instagram and you've come along and found us on the YouTube channel, you should know, well, you will know now that we are trading a pin all the way up to a four-wheel drive. So some of that content will be on the YouTube when we do get the four-wheel drive. But first, we got to get the four-wheel drive, and more on that later. But we're just here to tell you a little bit about what's going on this year, what to expect. It's going to be a crack of the year. We can't bloody wait.
Yeah. Some things to be expecting is definitely mods. Builds, trips,
all that fun stuff.
Yeah, four-wheel driving, camping, you name it, you're probably going to see it. Maybe even a little bit of fishing here and there.
But I'm sweating balls right now, by the way.
Yeah, it is bloody hot out here in Australia today. Queensland, tell ya.
So Riley's got the GQ, and we're going to be sitting in the Navara in 3, 2, 1. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering, why are we starting a Brotherly 4x4 YouTube channel? And the real point is we want to share and document just having fun and getting out there and enjoying life and just showing that you don't need a $100,000 four-wheel drive, even though everyone wants a Land Cruiser, but to show everyone that you can just get out there and have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, we just live and enjoy it, and having a camera there doesn't really, it keeps memories and helps people learn. So I guess, yeah, starting the YouTube and the whole Brotherly 4x4 was really just to inspire others and get out there and have a little bit of fun and show everyone what they can do, really.
So we'll tell you a little bit of a backstory behind us, because when people ask us, they laugh a little bit. So we're going to get into that, and let us know in the comments on what you think about this. So I've been dating his sister for 7 years now, and I'll try to find a video and we'll place it here. And that was about a couple of years ago when we made a green screen video, and ever since then we've just decided to make content. Now, before this stuff of making four-wheel drive content, I had no idea about four-wheel driving. This guy knows the ins and outs, knows everything, so I've started fresh, and that's why I think we started it. Isn't that right, mate?
Yeah, pretty much. He was he come to me and he was like, I'm thinking of getting a GWM.
Oh God.
And I was like, no, you're not getting the GWM. And then he was like, I really like the NP300s. I was like, they're a good ute. And then he found one, and then after we both got our four-wheel drives,
it was about like
2 weeks in of having our four-wheel drives, I reckon.
Well, when you got the Patrol, yeah.
Yeah. And so pretty much the day I bought the Pui is the day we started Brotherly 4x4. Sat in the lounge. We had a bunch of names.
Yeah, we don't even know how we come up with Brotherly 4x4, to be fair.
Yeah.
Actually, we used some like generator thing. So there you go. If you want to start a channel, use some generator thing.
And we were like, yeah, Brotherly 4x4 is the one. And then after that, pretty much just winged it. And here we are to this day, nearly 5K followers. Way more than we were expecting.
Yeah, way more than we were expecting, guys. Way more.
The opportunities that we've had along the way, meeting new people, getting to help people, it's been bloody amazing. So
And we can't wait for that more this year, especially with doing a bit more touring. Unfortunately, there's been a bit of problems last year. We had a sad time last year, so we're getting back into it all this year again, and a bit more content for you guys. Better content, more four-wheel driving and camping, like we've said. But it's going to be a cracker of a year, guys, and we're going to keep saying it because it generally is, and we're so keen.
Yeah. It's been a long one coming. As we said, we were pretty much just waiting until 2026 to get everything up and running, as you know, Christmas time, families, and all of the bloody presents and stuff. So, but definitely expect to see a Fraser trip, a few DI trips, some wheeling out in Glasshouse, breaking stuff.
It's going to be a cracker. It's going to be a cracker. Now, guys, that was a little bit about us. I hope you got to know us a little bit more and why we started Bradley 4X4. It's quite interesting, funny story. And then Riley's going to chat to you guys about the posting schedule.
Yeah, so this video will be posted this month, and then starting
January.
January. And then the first Wednesday from February onwards, we'll be posting a video every fortnight on the Wednesday. And then if we get a little bit of extra content and enough to create another video, then it'll be up probably every week. But if you follow us over on the Instagram, we'll probably let you know every fortnight when the video and what time it's going to be up, so you can get on it nice and early before you miss out.
I'm going to put a plug, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We can't wait for 2026. Thank you all for supporting us on the Instagram. Now we're on the YouTube. We can't wait, and thank you all so much.
Yes, can't thank you enough.
Ciao!